Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about a rollable smartphone. It is oppo X 2021. Yes, it's the first rollable display. It is beautiful. There is an amazing transformation of a phone to tab. And the big advantage of the phone is it is crease-less display. When you fold a foldable phone you will see a crease which is not in this phone. Just swipe the side button, then the phone will transform from phone to tablet by rolling. Even there is a nice design from backside. This phone is not available anywhere, because it is a concept phone, or you can say it is just a demo. But this phone will be launched in upcoming year with more features. This rollable mechanism has been tested 1 lakh times, where it translates to about 2 to 3 years of use. When you press the button it transforms from 6.7-inch to 7.4-inch OLED display. It feels absolute steady. It has a 2-in-1 plate mechanism of wrap track, which helps it to roll. It gives a big screen, so you will get a best gaming experience. This comes with a 125-watt fast charger, where it charges 0 to 40% in just 5 minutes. And full charge in just 20 minutes. Where you can use this charger to charge your laptop also. So, please do comment your opinion about this rollable smartphone. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more interesting videos.